Right, I thought of something before I shipped off this here transmitter interface board, and that is I need to edit the Gerbers with Gerbv or Gerbv or whatever it is, and I want to tint the vias because I like to do that. So I've got this all loaded in here, all the revision B Gerber files. So you've got bottom layer. Well, here, let's show you. You can turn all these off. That's the bottom layer of the board. And you can select each individual component. Oh, you have to select the layer. That selects the whole bottom layer. You can select each individual component of the board, each individual shape, and either delete them or do other things with them. We're not going to mess with the bottom layer right now, though. Bottom solder mask is what we're going to mess with. So what we want to do is delete these holes. So just, whoops, select the right layer, mesh owner, delete. Probably select more than one. There we go. Just delete all the vias. I know where the vias are because it's just I designed the board. You probably know where they are too because yin's watched. Okay, so that means it'll get solder mask over the vias, which we don't need. Let's can we save the layer? Save active layer. Yep. Okay, it resaved it to the disk, so now saved it with those deleted vias. Let's turn. That's the board outline. Top layer. Let's look at this. Shows all the traces. Nothing crossing over. So you can see the vias right here. Those are what we just messed with. Oops. Need to be able to select it. So you can select everything on these and just do stuff. Delete, mostly delete, but I guess there's other stuff you can do. Alright. GTO. That's the top silk screen. And top solder mask, GTS. Alright, so we do that again. Just select everything you want to get rid of and just mash on the delete button there. Don't delete too much. Just delete what you need to delete. And that's it. The vias are now tinted, which means they're covered with solder mask. Nope, that's 6 mil. That's good. That's barely too close. I should have put those a little farther apart, but they're well within the manufacturing tolerance. Actually, you can manufacture things with smaller gaps than that. They can do it, but I just don't. As my buddy Glenn Clark used to say, you don't want to push it as far as you can push it. I forget exact words, but anyways, the exact word or the meaning was that you don't want to push it all the way to the edge until you know that it's going to work right. There we go. That's it. Neat, huh? So top solder mask and bottom solder mask, neither one has the vias in it anymore. We can check to make sure. There you can see the vias are no longer highlighted, which means they're tinted. They're no longer masked, or they are masked. They're no longer excluded from the mask. That's it. All right, well, that was easy. Don't usually use the bad E word, but sometimes you're allowed to. Well, I'm going to pull the trigger, get the boards made, and show you what they look like. See you later.